Hi friends, welcome. Today I want to share with you another photo walk from downtown Salt Lake City where I took some photos, including this photo, and this photo. I walked into a store that had a lot of character and asked if I could take some photos, and they said yes. I performed this photo walk with a Sony a7 Mark III and a Sony 24-70 f4. Enjoy. Another day in downtown Salt Lake City. Quite a few people walking around at first glance. That's good. All right, let's get to work, shall we?
Totally, thank you.
Yeah, you bet.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, you bet, absolutely.
How's your day going?
Good, how are you?
Doing good.
Good.
So I just have to ask if it's for professional or personal reason. Just because our policy only allows personal reason unless you're contracted through City Creek.
Yeah.
So I'm just wondering if...
No, I totally understand. Personal use.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just photos I share on Instagram. I just walk around and take around photos of interesting things I see.
All right, and then I just have to make sure you're not taking any pictures of the storefronts or anything like that.
Okay, I'll avoid it.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
All right, you too, man. Thank you. Malls are private property. Therefore, I follow the rules. It's my new favorite way to ride a bike, I think. Bird. Hey, excuse me, quick question.
Yes.
I'm a street photographer. I take photos of interesting people that I see. I thought your hat was very interesting.
Yes. Why is it interesting?
I think it's interesting because I think you're very brave to be wearing that right now. I actually am not. I actually lean more conservative.
Right.
So I'm not bashing you for wearing the hat. I think it's wonderful that you're expressing yourself in that way.
I don't think you see a lot of Trump hating people here in Utah. But I see it a lot in the East Coast.
Interesting.
Although I was in Seattle, Portland, I walked through the airport with a Trump hat,
Yeah.
Trump shirt, Trump necklace,
Yeah.
and nobody bothered me. I mean, I got a little thumbs up.
That's good. That's awesome.
But I think
That gives me hope.
well, the very reason you're in America is for all of its beauty, the
Absolutely.
freedom of speech,
Liberties.
freedom of whatever it is that you want, you can do. I was a Trump supporter before now, and all of my friends who kind of thought I was crazy back then has kind of moved along to my side of the aisle now.
Yeah.
And a lot of it has to do with all of the stuff that's going on out there.
Sure.
You know?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be really interesting to see what happens with this election with these riots.
Well,
you know?
I think the riots has kind of given people, to me, has given people another perspective of something to look at besides just the man and the Democrat. There was a black gentleman that was walking by. I noticed he had a Trump.
I mean, every time I see it, I think it's fantastic because I want to see people be able to express both sides of the argument.
Yeah, and
you know what I mean?
A lot of people that I come across that is Trump hating whatever it is that they do. They give me a middle finger because I wear a hat that represents what I believe in, what I feel, but they have no reason to give me why they hate the guy.
Yeah.
And I said, we can have a conversation, but you can't just give me the finger because you hate the MAGA.
Right. I've photographed these protests and I've seen that firsthand. I mean, it's if the second you become a police sympathizer in any way, you get the same kind of response, and there's not really dialogue there.
Yeah.
You know, so I totally understand where you're coming from. Would you mind if I take your photo really quick? I just want a portrait of you with the hat.
Okay.
This will be good right
here. What are you going to do with those pictures?
I just share them on Instagram. Yeah, I just love documenting the streets, that's all.
Okay, and you're going to put what I said about what I said about my
yeah, I won't misrepresent you, I promise, of course. Turn your head a bit that way for me. Yeah, thank you. Wait for this guy to go by in the background, and I'll grab a shot of you. Thank you so much. What was your name?
What was your name?
I'm James.
James. Instagram, right?
Yeah, Instagram. I'll give you my card. You can find it through there. You can find it. It's my website, but you can get to my Instagram easily.
All right.
All right?
Say I'm the girl who can.
All right. I love the conversation. Have a good day. That was a lengthy conversation, and I was so worried that my battery on my GoPro was going to run out before I finished the conversation, took a photo. So I was trying trying to move it along so that so I could get a shot while the camera was still rolling. And I'm looking at the camera now, and it's at 6%. Very tiny car. I like your car, man. He had his AirPods, or kindness blockers, if you ask me. Don't know what that was, but I'm glad I didn't step in it. I just got some New York City nostalgia. I don't know why this area just reminded me of it, but now I want to be in New York City because of all the people and all the opportunities. Magical place. Sorry, I just got to get, I got to get the right positioning of the birds, now we're really in New York. I just passed a store up here. It's very interesting. It looks like it's going to be full of books. I think go inside and check it out. Oh, you just asked me, brother. I got nothing for you.
Huh?
I say you just asked me, brother. I got nothing for you.
Oh, sorry. You have a great day.
All right, you too. I know the mask makes it hard.
Right. My memory's about that far.
All right. Hello. How are you guys today?
Good, how are you?
Good, doing well. You guys have a very interesting story here. I thought I would explore it.
Good.
It just keeps going on and on. Oh my gosh. It's like a labyrinth. Bicycle citizens, the political world of the Japanese housewife. A quick question for you guys. So I'm a photographer. I take photos of interesting people that I find. I thought you guys in your store was very interesting. I was just wondering if I could get a shot of you guys and your store. And you can pretend like I'm not here.
He wants a picture of us.
All right.
Give it to me.
Okay. All right. Very good. Will do. How long have you guys been here?
104 years.
The store?
4 years here, but the business 104.
Wow. That's amazing. It's amazing. It has so much character.
It does.
I love it. Yeah. Cool. I'm just going to grab a couple of shots then. I just share them to my Instagram, so if you're wondering. A lot of people are curious. Okay, thank you guys. Here, I can give you my card so you can see where it's going. This is my website, but you can find my Instagram through there.
Alrighty.
All right, what was your name?
Helen, and it's
Okay.
Pete.
All right, I'm James. Good to meet you. Thank you guys.
Alright.
Have a good day. That was freaking awesome. I'm so glad I did that. What's up, brother?
How's it going?
Good, man.
Good,
you like
thank
you like your picture?
I love them, man.
Very
So
good.
Thank
Thanks again, man. That was a guy from the previous photo walk video. He let me take his portrait. Very nice guy. How's it going? I'm a street photographer.
Okay,
Yeah, I just take pictures of interesting people that I find.
cool.
Yeah.
I was just wondering.
Yeah, of course. I thought all you guys are interesting. I love your glasses.
Thank you.
Yeah. You mind if I take a portrait really quick with your glasses? Okay. Very good. You guys, I'm just sharing them on Instagram. I can give you my card if you want.
Sure.
All right. Either way, you guys have a good day. Thank you. That shot with the guy in the train with the U.S. Postal Service truck in the background. I don't know what that means metaphorically with those two elements in there together, him and the truck, but it's interesting. I'll let you guys interpret that. Alright. Sorry. Hey, excuse me, I have a quick question. I'm a street photographer. I take photos of interesting people that I meet, and I love your look. I was just wondering if I could take a photo of you really quick.
Sure.
Okay, what's your name?
Wolf.
Alright, I'm James. Good to meet you. What's your name?
I'm Kat.
Okay, good to meet you. I just want to take a quick shot of you right here if you don't mind. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna wait for these people to pass really quick. Yeah, I love what you got going on. I even like your shoes. Alright, move to the right to the middle for me really quick. Thank you. I'm gonna get one back here and then one up close and then we'll be good. Alright. Sorry, let me get my settings right. Wasn't prepared. Okay, there we go. Alright, hang tight for me. Alright, thank you, Wolf. I appreciate it. This is where it'll go. So that's my website, but it'll go on Instagram. So just look for the little Instagram icon. You can find it there.
Thank you, James.
Yeah, you bet. Have a good day. That is it for this one. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions about my process during this video, please feel free to comment below. I'll be happy to engage with you guys. If you enjoy what I'm up to, if you decide to like or subscribe, that would be something that I would appreciate greatly. I hope you have a lovely day. Goodbye.